The linear approach of take, make, use, dispose is on its way out. The new economic frontier is the circular economy, where nothing is left to waste. At this frontier, extraordinary materials can drive extraordinary change. Change that will create jobs, conserve critical resources, and provide a better environment for us all. At Deakin University's Institute for Frontier Materials, we are pioneering materials science innovations to enable a circular economy. Materials that have a clear pathway after their first life, make use of waste, and are made to last and are easily repaired. We're exploring new frontiers in carbon fibres and composites, advanced alloys and infrastructure materials, fibres and textiles, and materials for energy storage. And in this work, we're paving the way for cleaner water, cleaner energy, cleaner transport, and healthier communities. Your journey towards a more sustainable world starts here. Join us.